if you're like me and you have a magnet wire, and it gets messy when you wind with this type of wire, and it sometimes gets stuck with each other, and you want to unwind it, and it becomes very messy. So I will show you today how to make a spool for the magnet wire to hold it on, and how to wind one very easily. So all you need is a spool of thread. So I have removed this thread, and I'm left over with this. So if you played with next and you have some left over of it, you could use that to attach it to here, then add these wheels, and from the other side you could also use the spool. Then you have one, then you could hot glue one together like that. And then I could just push it on here, and then I have one side done. Then I could repeat the process with the other side. Just put a little bit of glue like that, and then attach it onto the spool, and then wait for it like a half a minute to cool down, and then it will be ready. So you will need a little bit, the stick must be a little long, so you could attach it to a drill. You will attach the other one because that one is already cold. I don't have to wait for the glue to get cold. So you could just rotate that with the drill, and wind some wire around it, and use that for later. Okay, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.